Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today I am gonna make a scenery of beautiful animals. I'm gonna use stickers, some colors, some stencils, and so much more things. And I am gonna make a beautiful scenery. So let's start by making our scenery. So first of all, I am gonna draw the scenery and I am gonna use stencils. So let's get one stencil, and I have a plain paper. You can use plain paper and colorful paper, anything you want. Please get the items ready as well. So first of all, let's draw our thing. I am gonna get this house stencil. It is a shape of a house, and it is a house. And let's get the inside one. I'm gonna make the details by myself. So let's start. Now I'm finished making the house side. Now I am gonna make the details of it, the windows, the door. Now I am making the smoke out of the house. Now I am gonna use some more stencils and make some more details. Now we are gonna make the road. I don't have a ruler, so I'm using a stick. Now I'm finished making the road. Now let's make the cars and some people, and let's start. Roads have zebra lines, so I made these just for fun details and just fun and beautiful looking. That's why I made these. Now let's make the car on the road. I'm gonna make a car, and I am gonna try my best to stay with the stencils. I am finished and the car looks amazing. Let's make the tires, the wheels, and don't forget about the windows. I made this line because of the door, and I made the door handles. Now I am gonna make these stuff that I have over here. I am gonna make some birds, lights, flowers, some people around, and the stars, clouds, and this hair balloon, and the bird. And this is mushrooms for details. Well, actually, there are no mushrooms in the road. I just made them for details. Now I am making the flower from the inside of the stencils. I am finished. Now let's do some stickers and then we'll start coloring. I'm gonna get this cute little rabbit and put it beside the road. And I'll get some more stickers and add them to make it more beautiful and prettier. I like it. A turtle on the ground. And a cute little orange squirrel over beside the house. He's wearing a hat. Cute. Now let's color this. I have colors, so I am gonna make this as beautiful as I can. And I am gonna color the house first because I made the house first as well. And I am gonna use this purple color for it. I like the color purple. Which color do you like? Tell me in the comments, please. I made the sides a bit darker, and this is how it looks. Now let's color in the boy, and first of all, the hair. I like the hair color brown because I like them so. And his face color. Doesn't he look so pretty? I mean, he's a boy actually. He's so cute and looking beautiful. Now let's make his dress colored green or blue. Yeah, blue. Blue pant. And now the dress. And then we're gonna do the air balloon. I'm gonna make the air balloon colorful, just like a rainbow, but I first did the color pink and then green. I did all of the colors of the rainbow instead of red. And finish, and I did the clouds, and this is how it looks. Do you like the air balloon? It looks amazing. And look at the stars and the clouds. They look so awesome and beautiful. It looks so perfect. And I'm gonna add some more details, and I'm gonna add some googly eyes for the boy's eyes, the bird's eyes, and the other farmer's eyes. It looks so beautiful. Wow! I like the flower and the butterfly and the air balloon. I like everything. It looks so beautiful. Now I'm gonna do the outlines of it so it looks more prettier. It looks like this, and this is how it turns out. It is awesome and great and beautiful looking. It was fun to meet you guys. If you liked my video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and share to others so they can watch as well. Goodbye.